Now, do you want to say we're putting a tree up? Or you just want to leave? We're putting up my Christmas tree. Now, thankfully, my boyfriend's parents were nice enough to let me get a Christmas tree and put it somewhere in the house. So please work with me on the lighting. I know the lighting, that scared me. The lighting is gonna be a little bit off. I'm gonna try and fix it here and there, but I will try and put in some clips of when maybe the lighting is a little better. There is no one in the house right now. It's very, very bare and empty, so I thought now is the best time to film me putting up the tree. So I'm gonna put the tree up. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got for it this year, and I am so excited. And I have Scarlett with me. No clue how long she's gonna stay down here. Hi. So we are going to be putting up the Christmas tree. Can you, oh, do you want to put the tree up? Okay. Now, can you please get down? Thank you. I'm going to decorate my tree. Now that it is up, I can't wait. I'm going to put some YouTube on and just kind of open up the branches a little bit more. And obviously put some non-copyright music over top of you guys, because that's how YouTube is. Okay, so here's how the tree is looking right now. The tree does come pre-lit, which I absolutely love because it makes it so much easier for me. I have so many more ornaments. This though is my main theme. This is actually the ornament we got when we went to Niagara Falls. If you didn't check out that vlog, you should. It was really fun. But this is my main theme. This is apparently mulberry. So I have different things here. I want the main focus to be these items. And then if I need fillers, I do have fillers. I also picked up 2 of these because I do really like the color, and I picked up 1 of these. So again, those are gonna be my main ones. And then I literally have like a ton that I sorted through the other day that I can put up. I think like these would look really, really nice in there also. So look at them against my nails. It's like the camera can't focus. But anyway, I'm going to focus on putting the other ones before these. Okay, so right now I have like the different bulbs on. I've got my reindeer at the top, which I'll show you guys in a second, and I even put some icicles. So my next thing that I want to put on are these beautiful snowflakes, so I can't wait to put these on. Oh, I'm liking how it's looking so far. So, of course, my camera had to fill up with space as I was filming, but you're able to see I've been putting the snowflakes onto the tree and the icicles are there. So I've still got all of these snowflakes to put on the tree. They're so pretty. Look at how pretty those are. So far I have like kind of special ones, my snowflakes, and I've got my icicles. Now I have these. I've got to string them and then put them on the tree, so I'm going to do that. So there's the tree. I think it's pretty even. I don't have a tree topper, so I'm not showing you that. But I want to light it up to see how it looks. Oh, do you like the tree? Do you like the tree? Is it perfect? Did you do a good job? Give me a high five? Oh, thanks. High five though. Yeah, you did. Good job. Yes, you did. Did you touch anything? Yes, you know you did. Yes. Oh, watch it. Scarlett, it's okay. Thank you. While I get something, just watch my dog. Oh, thanks. You did a good job. Did you do a good job? Do you want to help with the good girl? Were you a good girl today? Did you help with the tree? You helped with the tree? Yes, you did. Oh, and I actually have a blue one in here for Owen, and I have like a mulberry red one in there for me. Okay, so that is it for this video. I really just wanted to film me putting up my Christmas tree and showing you guys my ornaments, and it was really fun just doing this with Scarlett because she can be a handful sometimes, so I know she really did enjoy doing this today. Let me know in the comments down below when you guys are putting up your tree, or if you guys already did. Make sure to give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe to see more Christmas content. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.